Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you a bad practice that you never do. So here we're gonna open the app inspection and we're gonna go to the process of the app. So here we're gonna close the app and we're gonna open another time. Okay, so here is the process of the app. So here we have all the list of characters. So this get all the characters of the first page. So when we click in this character, we get the information of the character, that is that, and we get also the information of the location, that is this. But if we go to another view and then we come back to the previous view, we call this service another time, and we don't should do that. Why? Because we already have the information. That is a mistake. You don't need to call to that service another time because you already have the information. If you can check the code here, this is 10 of base fragment, and we override one function that is called set top UI, and like you can see here, this is called every time that onBCreate is called. So every time that we are here in the view that is called, here is call, and here is call, and if we go here and we go back, it's called another time, and it's called another time because the view is created another time. So how we can solve that problem? That will be easy. So we need to call that service just on the onCreate view, that is this one, is on onCreate, and this method is called just the first time that the fragment is created. And I'm gonna show to you the implementation that I did. So here we are in this commit. So now I'm gonna move to the main branch. There is some mistakes. I'm gonna remove the chains of the file, and yeah, we can now we can move to the main branch. Okay, so like now you can see the code looks different, so there is a better implementation. And I'm gonna say to you what I did. First, we have two variables, that is character and its location. These two variables are null on the beginning. So then we have a method that is called just the first time that the view is created. This method is just called this time, just this time. You go to this view and then you come back, here is no call. It's just called the first time that you get in that view, just this time, not the second time when you come back. It's just called the first time. Okay, here we have a function that is called getCharacter. We call to the function and then we get the data. This is the function, and we get the data of the service, and here we say that this variable character is gonna be equals to the data provider for the service. And then we're gonna do this, like show the skeletons, do another things, set data to the character, that will be this, and then we're gonna get the ID of the episodes. This is for show the episodes of this character. And so then we're gonna have a function that is if the character has location, because there is some characters that doesn't have location. So if this character has a location, we're gonna call to the service get location. So one time that we get the location, we get the results of the API request. We're gonna say that this location is gonna be equals to the location that we get from the service, and then we're gonna set the location information, that will be this. And so when we click here and we go back, we don't call the service another time, we just call to this method that is called onResume, because when we do this and when we go back, this function is called the life cycle of the Android application. So we say restore character and location. So like this variable has information and also this variable has information, we're gonna set the data of the character and also we're gonna set the data of the location. So like you can see here, if I go here and I come back to the view, it's called this another time. I'm gonna run the app and you're gonna see the result, that now it's just gonna be called the first time. So it's running and it's finished. So let's check what happened. So we here in the character detail fragment, so we're gonna go to the episodes screen and then we're gonna go back to the previous view, and like you can see, we don't call to this service another time, just we call to this service the first time on the view. So just the first time now is gonna be called the service. Yeah, but if we go to another view and we go back, it's not called, so it's not, that service are not called. So that will be everything for today, guys. This was my first video. If you can listen to my voice, it's like my English is not so good because it's not my main language. I am just trying to improve my English.